Hey guys, this is Dave. Gonna do another review here, and we're gonna do the review on the Spigen Samsung J7 Star case. So let's get it all opened up and see what we got. So let's pull the tab. Out comes the phone case, and you can see there it's got a pretty nice bottom on it. I like it. It's got this kind of a, oh, what does that look? Carbon fiber type look. It's not carbon fiber, but it's just the look. And on the inside, it's got a nice fancy design on there. Kind of wish that was on the back part here. But anyway, let's get the phone in there and see what happens. So we got that camera there. Let's get it there. And snap it in place. And that's it. It's made of a really nice material. It says on here it's a military grade, drop tested military grade, rugged armor. And the back, slim design for perfect grip, stable mounting, enhanced shock absorption. It's hard to pronounce, but there it is. Let's turn it on. There you go. And hold on here, let me turn it on. Just get that out of the way. So anyway, there's that. And so in fact, now it is, I'll give you the degrees here where we are in. It's 81 here in Rio Vista. All right, so, all right, and it's got the volume control. It's easy push. So, anyway, let's turn the camera on. There's the camera. Whoa, who's that? What's going on? Hi. But anyway, it's a nice case. Like I said, it's made for my Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. So, all right. It's I'll put the description in the, or a link for it in the description below. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to hit that like whatever side it's on. I think it's over here, but I'm not sure. Subscribe and all that. So, all right, guys, see you later. Have a good one. I'm out of here. Thanks, guys.